Today I'm on site with one of the installation crews that's installing a new heat pump that has some of the highest efficiency on the market, as well as some unique technology that literally resulted in it being featured in a leading publication for revolutionizing HVAC in a way that's never been done before. And we'll even talk about how their unique and personal approach to partnerships with dealers has resulted to improvements in system design stemming directly from technician feedback. But honestly, I'm a little skeptical, and if you've been watching this channel for a while, you'll know it's because oftentimes new manufacturers bring unique and innovative designs to the market that unfortunately lack practicality in either manufacturing or installation, or a lot of times it's just too expensive for anyone to be able to actually afford it, or afford it without it being heavily subsidized by government tax credits. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a deep dive with the company that's installing the heat pump. We're going to be interviewing the homeowner for their actual opinion on their initial thoughts and experiences for how the system is performing. And I even am fortunate enough to be able to meet with the VP of marketing, who's been with the company since day one. She has a unique level of insight into the vision behind the product and what they're actually bringing to the marketplace, as well as a technical interview with the CTO. And at the end of this video, I'll give you my honest, unfiltered opinion about the product, as well as any potential challenges or issues that I see them needing to overcome. So we're going to be covering a lot, but for time's sake, I don't have time to cover all of the technical specs in this video, but I'll be doing a more technical deep dive in another video. So if you want to check that out, I'll make sure to link that video at the end for your convenience. So that being said, let's dive in and take a look at the system, starting with how it's installed and some of its unique features. So from an installation perspective, it's pretty straightforward, but it has a few unique twists that make it especially user-friendly for installers, which in turn make it easy on the customer and their wallets. That being said, let's start by taking a look at the condenser. Now, this is the condenser, and like most heat pumps, it's on a stand to allow for clearance, because as heat pumps need this clearance in order to be able to drop ice during defrost cycle, and they can also be wall mounted, so it's really just a matter of preference, but the system is bolted to the stand just like this, and it uses a standard electrical connection for most condensers, which is just a basic 2-pole 240 volt circuit like your current condenser uses. This one happens to be a 25 amp breaker, but when it comes to how this unit connects to the indoor units, that's where the magic starts. Now, the indoor units will always need a line set ran to the outdoor unit from the indoor unit, as that's how the refrigerant transfers heat from inside the home to outside and vice versa. And this condenser is rated as a 1.5 ton unit. However, the capacity can be stretched to over 2 tons. And they did this for a strategic reason. Was the reason that you guys chose to go with a smaller capacity, that was mainly for efficiency, correct?
Efficiency, but also it's kind of sized to the indoor units we build, which are 9 to 12,000 BTUs.
And part of the strategic reason for having one condenser size and one head unit size is that this allows them to focus on maximizing the combinations optimization, and it also made it substantially easier for them to scale and keep system costs lower, since they'll have less parts and less inventory to stock on hand, as well as for their dealers. And so all in all, the main motivation was efficiency of operations and providing excellent customer support. And this is an extremely efficient unit with a SEER 2 rating of 25, making it one of the most efficient multi-port systems on the market.
Yeah, I mean, the Quilt system is the highest efficiency 2-zone ductless you can buy right now.
And for this particular homeowner, this means they'll likely be able to enjoy heating and cooling their home almost for free, as they also have solar panels installed.
We don't have a bill.
Wow. Okay.
Yep, so yeah, solar's been great, and this is why this is even something where it's going to be helpful, because we don't have to worry about extra energy usage through air conditioning as well.
Meaning that they'll be able to take advantage of cheap electricity to heat and cool their home. And one thing that I'm sure some of you might be thinking is how that outdoor unit is painted black and how it must get hot in the summer and therefore affect efficiency, because that was one of the first things I thought when I looked at it. But the truth is they actually took that into consideration, and they found that its effect on performance was actually negligible or basically non-existent. But anyways, let me know in the comment section if you had that same thought, because that was my first thought too when I initially saw it. Now here you can see this is where the line set was ran inside this line hide, and this is what connects the system to the indoor unit, which is where a lot of the real innovation has taken place. But one thing to note before we head inside is what line hide is that line hide is just something that's done as part of a quality installation, because it covers the line set and makes for a tidy looking installation. But anyways, let's head inside and take a look at the indoor unit and some of the key features they have that makes them unique. Now, what's particularly impressive about this unit is it's actually quite simple in nature, and that is its size. Now, as you can see, it's mounted above a window, window, but oftentimes this is not an option with many systems because of how tall they are. But this system is less than 8 inches high, making it the lowest profile system on the market. At least it's the lowest profile system that I've ever seen. And for installers, this means that they have more options for head unit placement since it's over 4 inches shorter than most head units that are on the market. And for homeowners, this means a less bulky and more aesthetically pleasing system, which brings me to another one of their very simple yet very practical innovations in this category.
So the things that we made to make it more accessible and better for more homes is that we made it, one, it's very architecturally designed, so it's rectilinear to make sure it kind of blends in with the way homes are designed, with walls are straight, and so the sides of our unit are straight, it blends in. But it's also thinner than most units, so it can fit above doors, it can fit above windows, and then the front cover is customizable, so it can be a nice white oak, but it also can be white, so you could paint it to match your walls, you could wallpaper it to match your walls, and then it has this pretty cool accent light. So if you put it above art, it can kind of light that up. It can have a little like night light for your kids' room, which are, yeah, a lot of our kid customers really like.
And if that wasn't enough, there's another innovation that they actually created at the request of one of their contractors, and I'll show you that now. Prepare to be amazed. Now, this for homeowners might not seem all that spectacular, but for contractors who install ductless systems on a regular basis, you know how much of a pain in the ass these can be. Oftentimes there's several clips or screws just to remove the cover and the faceplate, but this is actually a magnetic faceplate, which makes this a huge time saver. And honestly, it might not be that big of a time saver, but in this business, in the middle of summer, time is money. HVAC contractors were always overbooked, and I personally appreciate little thoughtful touches like this that products incorporate that make them feel more intuitive and honestly just easier to use. And one of the most unique characteristics of this system is how Quilt updates the system and provides customers with granular data on how their system is performing at a level that I've never seen any other system on the market provide.
We have a team of engineers from Google, Apple, Tesla, and Nest, and they all kind of took those smarts and applied it to the heat pump. So the whole system is incredibly intelligent. It knows exactly what temperature every room is in. It knows how to operate as efficiently as possible so that your bills are as low as possible. But then it also can translate all of that knowledge to you. So you can look in your app and see exactly how much energy you're using and which rooms are using the most and at what times of day. So you can optimize for that. And you can set schedules that are really intuitive. You can do that for every room, but then it also just gets smarter and smarter over time.
So right now I actually have the thermostat pulled up on my phone, and as you can see, I can actually go in room by room and I can see the individual kilowatt hour consumption. So I know which rooms are using the most power. And what's mind-boggling, you'll be able to see how much was used by your system instead of just seeing your bill spike at the end of the month and having to guess how much of it was actually related to heating and cooling versus other seasonal trends. And in addition, the thermostat and head unit also incorporates radar for room sensing so that it can tell whether someone is actually in the room, and it's more accurate than just a traditional motion sensor, and that adds to the efficiency so that it shuts off when no one is using the room. Truly a smart system, but honestly, it's nothing compared to what I'm about to share with you, which in my opinion is nothing short of remarkable. But before we do that, if you're enjoying this content so far, please hit the like button for the algorithm and consider subscribing to the channel. It's a free way you can show support for the channel if you find this content helpful, and it is much appreciated. So what I'm about to share with you landed them in an article on TechCrunch and caught the eyes of the entire HVAC industry because they did something that had never been done before in the HVAC space and is actually setting a new standard in terms of what's possible in HVAC.
So actually a couple of weeks ago, we just rolled out something that made it 20% more capacity of heating and cooling to our whole fleet, which was, yeah, pretty incredible. So every system that was already installed that was sitting in our partners' warehouses just got smarter overnight.
And although she kind of breezed right through this, what I want to actually break down is what this actually means. This system increased its capacity, not its efficiency, its capacity overnight, meaning if you had a 1.5 ton capacity the day before, after this update, your system had a larger capacity closer to 2 tons, and a technician didn't even have to show up to your house or run a service call or change it apart or do anything to upgrade the system. And this is what got it featured in TechCrunch and caught widespread industry attention because this is an industry first. And while I'm truly impressed with that because it's a massive value add for their customers and revolutionary by comparison with other brands, in addition to their over-the-air software updates that improve performance and efficiency, as well as just organic bug fixes, as a contractor, it's always nerve-wracking working with a new manufacturer because You don't know how the support is going to be for both yourself and therefore the customer before and after installation. Which brings me to their warranty and dealer support. What is the warranty?
The warranty is wonderful. It's 12 years and we really don't have to worry about the support from Quilt, making sure our customers are taken care of.
Now, any longtime viewers of the channel know that my partiality to Daikin as a dealer was mainly because of their 12-year warranty, as it was an industry best, and my personal experience was that they would honor that warranty and they would support me when I actually needed their help, instead of leaving me high and dry like some manufacturers. And in the past several years, many of the premium manufacturers have actually followed suit, like Mitsubishi and a few others that have started to offer a 12-year warranty. So the fact that Quilt is matching that same industry best warranty on the equipment is impressive to say the least, even though they're a new company, because it shows that they're committed to growing their market share and they're committed to supporting their customers along the way by providing that industry best warranty coverage. But it's not only important how they support their customers, but more so how they support dealers, because having been in the industry for a while, I can tell you that there are certain manufacturers that I absolutely don't like working with because they look at us as a number, and if we weren't one of their largest dealers in the area and one of their largest purchasers, then they would give us subpar support because we weren't their largest account. But Quilt's approach strikes me as holistic, and they get this because from my observations, they understand that they're not in the heat pump business, they're in the people business.
So when we were brought on as partners with Quilt, they did full installation training. We had their top installers show our team how to do it. Game day, if something goes wrong, if we're confused about something, they have full on support from first thing in the morning to the evening to make sure our team's supported while we're here on site if anything does go wrong. Fortunately, we haven't even had to use that yet, but they've been wonderful to partner with. Whether it's on social channels or other media, they are getting the word out and then feeding us opportunities, which is absolutely amazing.
They're giving you like marketing spend, or they're marketing and getting you guys leads?
They're giving us leads. Exactly. Right. So, and that's just wonderful to have, because if they can be out there doing some of the marketing, giving us some leads, it's a win-win for all parties.
And having been in a position personally as a contractor where the marketing cost to acquire a customer becomes so expensive that it's almost prohibitive to growth, I understand exactly how big of a deal this is. It's literally the reason I originally started this channel, because I needed a way to increase our organic awareness because it was so much more cost effective than traditional marketing forms. And it was a way to build trust and answer a lot of common questions with our audience members before we showed up in their house. So the fact that Quilt is spending money on ads, and most importantly, effective ads, in an effort to support their dealers and be a true partner is respectable and admirable, because honestly, most days, this is what running an HVAC company actually feels like. Show me the money! Now, in addition to this, they also have remote diagnostics so that Quilt can help diagnose things before the technician even shows up. And this is a huge time saver for technicians because it gives them the ability to get a head start on troubleshooting the system before they actually show up and get to put their hands on it. And since most of the high-end manufacturers are starting to offer some sort of cloud support, it's very encouraging to see that Quilt is following suit. And they also have a dealer stocking program so that all of their dealers have in-house parts and equipment inventory available, so that your dealer always has parts on hand to reduce system downtime, because there's nothing worse than in the middle of summer or middle of winter than waiting for a part when something breaks. And this is also a cost benefit to the dealer and the homeowner, because they cut out the markup that is typically charged by distributors, which helps keep costs low and more manageable by cutting out unnecessary middlemen, which brings me to the million-dollar question that hopefully isn't a million-dollar question, if you catch my drift. This looks expensive. What's your response to that?
Okay. So honestly, it's more affordable than you think. It's very cost competitive to a lot of the other models out there. There are state rebates, federal rebates that actually bring the cost down today. I'm actually happy to even show you a bid if you'd like.
Yeah, if you've got a bid right now. You have a bid for this system?
So I sure do. Yeah.
All right.
Let's go take a look.
Let's take a look. That's for the 2-unit system?
That's for the 2-head system.
That's cheap. Now, my response was a little exaggerated, but partly because the price tag was actually lower than what I was expecting. It's still reasonable or comparable to other manufacturers of a 2-port ductless system that's professionally installed with a good warranty, but I was surprised because oftentimes new manufacturers in the space that offer high-end, high-efficiency products often forget that they have to actually sell the product, and unfortunately they price themselves out of the market share because they engineer something that is so expensive to make and therefore cost prohibitive to customers and dealers, because contractors have to mark stuff up. But with this system, that wasn't actually the case. And when I saw the price point and that it was about what a normal high-efficiency 2-port cold climate heat pump would cost to have professionally installed, especially with a 12-year warranty, I mean, that was impressive, especially for a startup, and it shows that they're they're not out to lunch and they're actually in touch with reality of what it takes to gain market share. And the truth is, it's very comparable, but I won't share the exact price I saw because the truth is price points are actually going to vary widely by market because the local cost of living drastically affects the labor rates and will push the bid up or down accordingly. But the bottom line is you can get 2 quotes, one for a quilt system and one for another manufacturer. Just make sure you're getting that from a reputable dealer for a 2-port, 2-head unit cold climate system. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised to see that they're pretty much neck and neck. All in all, it didn't strike me as outrageous in terms of price like some products that I've seen in the past. And as promised earlier, here's my unfiltered opinion about the viability of the system and whether or not it's just another gimmicky heat pump with fancy marketing. The truth is that Quilt is on this channel for a reason, and that's because they brought some real innovation to the marketplace that will definitely be giving them an edge or at least a fighting chance. I'm extremely impressed with the level of technology that's baked into the system, from kilowatt consumption on a room-by-room basis with an hourly breakdown all the way down to the wireless connectivity for the entire system. It's truly remarkable and revolutionary and one of its kind in the space. And the over-the-air update that literally increased its capacity overnight is something for the record books. That in and of itself is wild and a testimony to their commitment to innovating, but more important, it's about their commitment to providing real change in the marketplace and support for their customers, and a real commitment to their dealers as well, because their dealer support programs, co-marketing, and customer support initiatives show that there's a real mission behind what they're doing, and they're not just trying to jump on the HVAC bandwagon to make a quick buck. But that doesn't mean that they don't have a massive headwind in one of the most competitive industries on the planet that's dominated by juggernauts, some of whom have been in business over 100 years since the start of the 20th century. So the question becomes, will their flexible strategy and attention to detail support be enough to sustain themselves in the marketplace? I'm definitely rooting for them, and based on the team that's spearheading this movement with backgrounds in technology at Google, Tesla, and companies of the like, I think they definitely have a fighting chance, and the fact that they're already serving customers in 12 states would support this opinion as well. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Does this seem like a system that you'd want in your home, or just another ductless heat pump? And I'll tell you how to connect with Quilt shortly, but first I wanted to give a special thanks to the homeowner for letting us film in their home, and a quick shout out to an organization that they support, Lifeline Puppy Rescue. Because if you're a dog lover too and you're looking for a puppy, or if you want to support the puppy rescue, they are a Colorado no-kill rescue in the Denver metro area, and I went ahead and linked that organization in the description for your convenience as well. And I just wanted to mention that because the homeowner was nice enough to let us film in her home, and since everyone in Colorado basically has a dog and a beard and brews craft beer in their basement, I wanted to mention it since it's a very cool organization doing good for puppies and for the community, and this is an organization that the homeowner is heavily involved with. I'm always curious to hear what other people's first impressions are when they see these videos, so please let me know your opinion. And if you're a homeowner that's interested in finding a dealer in your area, or if you're a contractor that wants to carry a more competitive and more capable brand, there's a few links in the description for your convenience on how you can request more information and get in touch with Quilt. And as promised earlier, there's a video popping up on the screen right now with a link to a deep dive on the system and its specifications, as well as another video that YouTube thinks you should watch.